Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Borche booth. Today, I'll take you close to experience this globally touring star machine, the Borche Superior Electric Injection Molding Machine BD240. The BD240 represents the achievement of Borche's 21 years of electric injection molding technology. It adopts unique direct drive structure. The ball screw is directly integrated with the servo motor rotor, completely replacing the conventional belt drive of electric injection molding machine, greatly improving transmission efficiency. The control system combines high-response servo motor, intelligent electronic control technology, and IoT solutions. Powered by Borche's self-developed IMM Intelligent Machine Edge Computator, it enables real-time monitoring of production yield rate and remote fault diagnostics. This is truly Industry 4.0. Today, we're showcasing a salad bowl intelligent injection molding solutio. Granular PP material transform into a stunning tabletop masterpiece in just 18 seconds.